Hello from Kobo Writing Life. If you're ready to start your self-publishing journey, visit www.kobo.com/writinglife to create your account and click on Get Started. If you already have a Kobo Reading account, you can log in using your account details. If you're new to Kobo, click on the Create Account link. Enter and confirm your email address and enter a password. You can also create an account through Facebook or Google. Please note, if you choose to create your account through Facebook or Google, you will have to log in that way every time. We'll send you an email to verify your email address. Please click on the link included in the email. You'll then be brought to this page and are ready to finish creating your account. To register as a Kobo Writing Life author, you'll need to fill out your contact information and mailing address. We then ask you to decide if you'd like to receive emails from us and which ones. Next is our terms of service. Please review and click the checkbox to accept. Once accepted, click Save and Continue. If you didn't receive the verification email or require any assistance, please reach out to our team via the Help Center. You can find the link in the video description. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, reach out to our team via the Help Center. Happy writing!